Mr. Yumnam Khemchand has lauded the role of NIT in nation building and in ensuring progress for a nation. Chief Minister Khemchand was speaking during a 13th annual convocation ceremony of National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur, which was held at City Convention Centre today. Chairpersons, Board of Governors, NIT Manipur, Bajrang Lal Bagra, Director of NIT Manipur, Professor Dr. DVLN Somaya Julul, along with other eminent persons, graced the function. A total of 299 students, including 206 B.Tech students, 38 M.Tech students, 24 Master in Science students and 31 PhD students conferred their degree certificates during the convocation ceremony. Chairman also felicitated 6 gold medalists during the ceremony. Speaking further, Chief Minister Khemchand also expressed appreciation on the role of NIT students in guiding the trainees at the District Institution of Education and Training Diet College at Salam in Lamsang constituency. He also added that Kakching MLA Mayang Lambam Rameshwar is making efforts to allot an upgraded and appropriate campus for NIT. Further, Chief Minister Khemchand expressed confidence that NIT will play an important role in achieving the Viksit Bharat 2047 goals set by India under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
State, nation NIT Manipur Matang Chathar Northeast region sida NIT Manipur hard technical education primary institute Singimarta Ama Oibangamayu NIT Manipur permanent campus to Matanda and Tamzaki Wahunduni to Soidana at Tumatamda I honorable MA Legatana Zaraga I did Magi Kinada Ivanina Matu Pangtonava I Bona Zagani.